Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Isomac espresso machine, and let's go ahead and purge the heat exchanger. It's always important to purge the heat exchanger before making coffee, otherwise you burn your shot. So now the big bubbles are out and we're ready to go. The customer didn't bring the portafilter, so it's hard to size up the portafilter precisely without the original. So that's something we might need to adjust once the original one is used. So you can see we get a beautiful shot of espresso with really nice crema. Good layers there. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water works great. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.